We have with us Kunal Behl, the Vice President, Marketing and Sales at Honda Cars India, joining in on the show right now. Kunal, hi, morning. Good to have you on the show. Thank you so much for joining in. You know, all the buzzword is now the discount that the UP government has actually announced on hybrid cars. Tell me, how many hybrid cars do you sell, in India, and how many did you sell in FY24? And out of that, how many in Uttar Pradesh specifically?
For having me on the show. So firstly, we are selling the City Strong Hybrid as the hybrid car in our total portfolio. So the hybrid is about 10 to 11% of our total city sales, and the UP contribution itself is about 7 to 8%.
Sorry, I missed that last part. Can you just repeat it again?
So I said, the total contribution of the hybrid cars in the Honda's portfolio is about 10 to 11% in the city sales. And in terms of the UP, I think I'm not audible. Am I audible?
Yes, please.
Yeah. And in case of UP, it's about 7 to 8%.
The fact that UP has given concessions to hybrid cars, do you see other states could also be tempted to do the same? Because there certainly could be an arbitrage which would be available if UP follows a different tax structure, other states don't follow that tax structure.
So first of all, it's a very forward-looking decision which is done by the honorable state of UP, and I think undisputedly, it would attract a huge set of buyers. So that they can quickly adapt to the green mobility system. And it definitely encourages manufacturers like Honda, who have introduced a strong hybrid system in Indian auto space. I strongly believe, yes, it would probably motivate the other states as well, to follow a similar taxation structure for the strong hybrid.
Sure. Kunal, but when you talk about the margins, tell us if the margins on hybrids are above or at a similar contribution or level to pure ICE margins, or is there some difference at all?
You're saying the margins for the OEM, right?
Yeah, I'm talking about the ICE margins comparable to hybrid margins.
So, definitely, the margin structure gets better on an economy of scale. So currently the hybrid sale, as I said, is not that big. It's much lower than that as compared to the ICE. So definitely ICE attracts a bigger margin for the OEMs. But we shouldn't forget one thing, that all OEMs are moving towards the sustainable mobility. And to reach a sustainable mobility, you have two ways. One way is, of course, going pure electric, and the other way, which is a very quick adoption, which is the strong hybrid. So I'm sure as the hybrid sale improves, which will definitely happen with the years, the margin structure of the HEV or the strong hybrid will also improve.
For Honda, the company which you represent, what is your estimate in terms of which is the high growth pocket? Is it EV, is it ICE, or is it hybrid?
So for sure, like as I said, Honda also has a global vision to have towards 2050. We are chasing two zeros. One is the zero carbon emission, and one is the zero traffic collision fatalities. Now, to reach the carbon neutrality, one definitely has to follow the EV, the hybrid space. But for sure, it will take time. So ICE is going to be there for some time. And we personally believe that the first step towards the sustainability is a strong hybrid. Why I say that is, if you want to shift to a pure EV space, you need to back it up with a strong infrastructure, not just in your town, but also at the place where you stay. So then, of course, currently, as for the infrastructure goes, we have the range anxieties from going from one town to the other town. So we believe that the first step towards the total sustainability is the strong hybrid, and surely the step taken by the UP state government is a very attractive step which will attract a lot of people to adapt to the strong hybrid sustainability mission.
Right. Okay. Kunal, great to have you on the show. Thank you so much for taking the time out and speaking with us today.
Thank you so much.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.